Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Deidran. It's a magical 13 staging of the Ligonier Arts Festival 2017. The best names in Jamaican art world displayed one of the most anticipated art event of the year. The Ligonier Arts Festival Magical 13 showcased an incredible lineup of more than 130 featured artists, displaying their techniques in an array of art forms.
Well, the range of the diversity of the artwork that we have is really amazing this year. I mean, quite apart from the usual ceramics and jewelry and what, people have gone beyond the beyond in a sense and have some very fine pieces of artwork.
New music from Popcorn and Rihanna. News of the forthcoming track surfaced after Riri and the El Chapo DJ linked up over the weekend in Barbados to work on their collaborative single. The new song will be released on Popcorn's upcoming album early next year. Listen out. On the international scene, LL Cool J is making strides. After 32 years in the rap industry, rapper LL Cool J has earned the American Kennedy Center honor. The Kennedy Center honor is considered America's highest achievement for any performer. The 49-year-old rapper is the first hip-hop artist to achieve such an accolade. As Def Jam Recordings' first signee, LL is best known for the hits Mama Said Knock You Out and Doing It. Last week, the NCIS actor revealed he completed the Business of Entertainment, Media and Sports program at Harvard University. Along with LL Cool J, this year's Kennedy Center honor recipients included legendary singer Lionel Richie and singer-songwriter Gloria Estefan. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.